system, and that database and that information is then shared with other zoos across the world, but it's also shared with conservationists, and they can use the data to help them when they're tracking animals in the wild. There's over 14,000 animals here in London Zoo, and we do not weigh them all. I couldn't get the keepers to do that if I tried. But what we do is weigh about 400. We don't weigh things like our leafcutter ants, although they weigh about 5 milligrams. But most of the mammals and birds and reptiles will be weighed. I think one of the most challenging things is weighing animals when there's lots of them in one habitat. So it could be something like our rainforest where we have a sloth, we have monkeys, we have birds all in one area. Getting them to individually go onto the scale when they all want to get on there at the same time can be hard work.